We have some footage of some model railroad clubs while we were at the B&O Railroad Museum. So let's go see what we have here. I'm Tom Kovichak, and this is Tom's Trains and Things. This channel was created to help other modelers who are in need of guidance in pursuing their dream of building a model railroad. And sometimes you just have to go and sightsee and go to some museums to see what is going on and see what you can find. And that's what we did at the B&O Railroad Museum. And while we were there, we saw several model railroad clubs that had their display there for over the holiday season. The Baltimore and Ohio Railroad Museum also has a permanent layout, a G-scale layout in the backyard. We have some footage of that, but not a lot because it was cold out there. So Debbie took some footage while she was out there. So if you would like to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and go to my channel. Click right below the video where it says Tom's Trains and Things. Click on that and that'll take you to my channel page, and click on playlists. And that will show you all the playlists that I have. I have them grouped into different categories by topic, so it's easy to find. So if you're looking for something on soldering, you can find it. If you're looking for electrical projects, you could find it. If you're looking for DCC, you'll find it. I have over 40 playlists on there where the videos are grouped into categories so you could find them easily. So take a look at it. Okay, all this history, and we're taking photos and video of a model railroad in the B&O Railroad Museum. Okay. And they got a big N-scale modular layout here. Pretty good size here. Look at that. Okay, Baltimore area N-track. Holy moly.
Okay. So they increase the value, so it'll be $250.
Oh, here comes another one. All right. And my shadow is in there. All right. Really good work on this layout here.
Told you I like to talk. Nice talking to you guys. Cut it out, use it up any way you want, except for when you
I got another one coming down here, and I picked the spot that has the least amount of scenery. get a good shot on this one here. Got one coming down this way and two coming up this way. All right. Oh, they got fish in them. All right, here we go. All right, National Capital Trackers.
Yeah, really, I get it. That's crazy.
But the shrubbery's real, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
They have so many different scales. They have so many
Yeah, they do.
What scale is
Yeah,
this?
you know all that stuff wasn't here in
This is
Lincoln.
so expensive. How could they get this? Can't get wet. They gotta keep it in
Yeah,
there.
they must come at night and put it in the garage. Well, what is
Look, he's a worm.
Oh, he's a cute little trolley.
He's the United
Streetcar.
Traction Company.
I wonder how long they've run.
How do they get it all? Ah!
That's why it's making that squeaky noise, Eric. It wants to run. Yeah, we'll call them when we leave. Yeah, because you hear it trying to go.
The B&O Railroad Museum had a lot on display there over the holidays with the model railroad clubs there and their permanent display of all the locomotives and rolling stock that they normally have and the exhibits on the inside. We're going to have one more video on this showing some of the exhibits and a little bit of the stuff that we didn't show in the previous video on the B&O Railroad Museum. So I hope you enjoyed this, and we're going to have some more, and I want to wish everybody a Happy New Year. This is the first one of the new year. Thank you very much for all your support in the past year. I really appreciate it. Debbie and I really appreciate your support. And we're going to continue doing the same thing this year on Tom's Trains and Things. So here's a couple of photos from the outside that we took, so enjoy.